Hey guys, it is Dominic, and guys, look, it is thundering. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, wait, I can hear it raining. Oh, it's already raining? Oh my. Oh! Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was not. Oh my gosh. Oh, the lights just suddenly turned off. Oh my no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's super wet out there. Oh my gosh. What? Is it a fire department or a hospital? Oh my gosh. Guys, that's so scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is so scary. I'm so dizzy. Yeah, me too. Shh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I caught that on camera. You guys! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my god. Oh my. Oh. Oh! 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 Oh, it's so scary. It's so scary. Oh my god. Oh. This is so, it's so scary. Dun, dun. Oh, Angelique, I can't believe what I just caught. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What? It thundered real hard, Angelique. Yeah, lightning. Let's wait a few moments and let's see what happens next. Oh, I caught something again. Oh, heck no. Oh. That is not good at all. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I know what you're talking about. Oh. I'm good. Oh no 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 no. Okay, I literally do not know what just happened. Alright, I can't have this, guys. Oh, guys, we gotta go. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in here. Oh my gosh. Guys, that was so scary ever, guys. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. You guys, leave a comment down below and smash that like button, guys. If you guys have seen my other video of War That Thunder, just like me, guys. Oh my gosh. Bye.